Welcome back, dear friends, to a transformative exploration of the magical realm of sleep. Get ready to dive deep into the essence of quality rest and discover a wealth of knowledge and practical tips to elevate your sleep experience and enhance your well-being. In this comprehensive guide, we will unravel the mysteries of sleep, explore the profound impact of quality slumber on your health and vitality, and unveil actionable strategies to optimize your sleep quality for a radiant and revitalized life. The enigmatic world of sleep. Sleep, a mesmerizing yet essential part of life, holds the key to unlocking our full potential and well-being. Have you ever pondered the intricacies of slumber and its profound impact on our physical, mental, and emotional health? Understanding the stages of sleep, the science behind dreams, and the vital role of circadian rhythms can illuminate the path to restful rejuvenation and optimal performance in waking life. Fascinating facts unveiled. Let's embark on a captivating journey through the wonders of sleep and unveil some fascinating facts that will leave you awestruck. The sleep cycle is a complex orchestra of stages, from light sleep to deep sleep and REM, rapid eye movement sleep, each contributing uniquely to our overall well-being. The interplay of these stages orchestrates the symphony of rejuvenation that unfolds nightly in the realm of dreams. Sleep deprivation isn't merely a tiredness issue, it poses a serious threat to our health and functioning. Chronic lack of sleep can impair cognitive abilities, weaken the immune system, disrupt metabolism, and even increase the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Prioritizing quality sleep is not a luxury, but a necessity for vitality and longevity. The circadian rhythm, our internal body clock, governs the timing of sleep and wakefulness, influencing everything from hormone release to body temperature regulation. By aligning our lifestyle with this natural rhythm through consistent sleep schedules and exposure to light and darkness cues, we can optimize our sleep quality and overall wellness. Sleep isn't just about rest, it's a fundamental pillar of mental health, emotional resilience, and cognitive function. Proper sleep hygiene paves the way for enhanced creativity, sharper focus, better decision-making, and improved memory consolidation. Embracing quality sleep habits is a gateway to unlocking our full potential in all aspects of life. Strategies for transformative sleep quality. Prepare to revolutionize your sleep experience with these empowering strategies aimed at cultivating a deeply restorative and nourishing rest. 1. Establish a sleep sanctuary. Craft a soothing environment conducive to relaxation and sleep. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet, ensuring comfortable bedding and supportive pillows. Minimize distractions like electronic devices or excess light that can disrupt your sleep cycle. Transform your bedroom into a sanctuary for rest and rejuvenation. 2. Set a consistent sleep schedule. Honor your body's natural rhythms by maintaining a regular sleep-wake cycle. Aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on weekends, to reinforce your circadian rhythm. Consistency is key to optimizing your sleep quality and feeling more refreshed each morning. 3. Adopt relaxation practices. Wind down before bedtime with calming rituals to signal your body that it's time to transition into sleep mode. Engage in activities like reading, gentle stretching, or meditation to relax your mind and release the day's tensions. Deep breathing exercises or progressive muscle relaxation can further enhance relaxation and prepare you for restful sleep. 4. Mindful nutrition and hydration. Be mindful of your food and drink choices, especially close to bedtime. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol that can interfere with your sleep quality. Opt for light, nutritious snacks if hunger strikes before bed, and stay hydrated throughout the day to support optimal bodily functions during sleep. 5. Stay active for sound sleep. Incorporate regular physical activity into your daily routine to promote better sleep quality. Engaging in activities like yoga, walking, or gentle stretching can help reduce stress and tension, making it easier to unwind before bedtime. Avoid strenuous exercise close to bedtime, as it may energize your body and disrupt your ability to fall asleep. 6. Manage stress and cultivate calm. Prioritize stress management techniques to promote relaxation and mental well-being before bedtime. Practice mindfulness meditation, journaling, or gratitude exercises to focus your mind and release worries and tension. Embrace a positive mindset and create a sense of peace and tranquility before drifting off to sleep. Embrace the transformative power of quality sleep and embark on a journey to unlock your full potential, vitality, and well-being. By adopting these science-backed strategies and nurturing restful sleep habits, you are investing in your health, happiness, and success in all aspects of life. Remember, every moment of restful slumber brings you closer to a more vibrant, energized, and fulfilled existence, thriving in the radiance of rejuvenation. As we conclude this enlightening exploration of quality sleep, remember that your sleep habits are a cornerstone of your well-being and vitality. Share the wisdom and insights from this guide with friends and loved ones who seek to elevate their sleep quality and enhance their lives. Together, let us embrace the transformative power of optimal rest, dream big, and awaken to brighter mornings filled with boundless energy, clarity, and joy. Thank you for embarking on this illuminating journey with us. Until we meet again under the comforting embrace of restful slumber, let your dreams be sweet, your rest be deep, and your awakening be radiant with the promise of a new day filled with infinite possibilities. Good night, dear friends, and may you sleep well, awaken refreshed, and thrive in the radiance of rejuvenation always.